Hey everybody, welcome back. I just want to take a few minutes and make a quick video on something that I got in the mail today. So my last build, the Foos F100 or whatever it was, I mentioned that I'd melted my body. I had to buy a second kit to get the body out of it, but I'd melted the body on it because I tried to strip the paint off of it, and I was using mineral spirits, and that's a big no-no. So some of you guys said, hey, if you contact Revell, they'll replace parts. Well, I did. So I sent Revell, and it was like in Germany, I think. I sent them an email, told them what I needed with the part number off of the kit. Didn't hear anything back from them. Well, I did get a confirmation, but it was just an automatic reply. So guess what I got in the mail today? So I saw on the table, my wife checked the mail, and it came in. It was a little box. It said Revell on the tape. So I'll give you let you see what it looks like. So yeah, when it came in, this was on the table. I was like, whoa, cool. What is this? Then it hit me what it was. So it come from Illinois, Revell, USA, but the email went through over in Europe. $4.75 postage. They sent me exactly what I asked for. They sent the new body that I'd melted along with the roof and a few little parts that goes with it, and it didn't cost me a dime. So they sent all that for, well, they didn't send it for free. They gave it to me for free. At least I hadn't seen a bill for it yet. So I just wanted to thank Revell USA, or Revell period. USA, Germany, wherever it came from. My email went to Germany, and then it went back to the USA. And man, you can't beat that. So thank you, Revell. So I wanted to just tell them thank you so very much. And guys, just makes me want to support this company even more. I know Round 2 and 8, which they own AMT and on. They own all those, and I'm sure they would be gracious with their service as well. But wow, I mean, they spent almost $5 in shipping. Whatever and then whatever the part cost, which I'm sure that was just pennies to them. But hey, this is what us modelers on a budget need. We need a company that we can definitely rely on. And let me turn this camera back around. So yeah, we need a company that we can, if you mess a part up, which we're going to do, we're going to break something. We're going to melt something like I did. I'm going to run it with paint. I'm going to do something. And I'm not saying that they're going to send everyone parts for free. I don't, a company can't stay in business very long by doing that. But yet they sent this to me, and I'm sure if you guys reach out to them, and if you need a part, and thank you guys for sending me the email link. I can't remember which one of you sent me the email link to be able to get that. So good deal. I appreciate it. Thank you, Revell. Thank you for sending me that body. I really needed it because I had to buy a whole nother kit for it. Then I had a kit that's missing the body. So what good's the kit? So now I have another complete Foos kit, so I can build another one. Hey guys, thanks for watching. This was just quick. I just wanted to send a shout out to Revell. Thank you so much for the truck body. All you do. Thanks for the good quality kits. Just keep making them. We'll keep buying them. Thanks a lot, guys. See ya.